Sean Black. I'm from Lynn, Mass, and I'm running my third Clock to the Rock 5K. Hopefully the rain is going to hold off for us and we can have a dry run. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone out there, and this is an amazing event for the city, so I will see you at the finish line.
It's not always the easiest thing to put anything together, especially, you know, in a city like this. But the city and the organizations and the police and City Hall and everyone really wants to see things succeed down here. So they make your lives a whole lot easier.
It's nice to see people come out for the city of Lynn. It gets such a bad rap, and to have an event like this where you get to run through some of the most gorgeous parts, in fact past my house, which is nice. So it is a fun event for me to have people cheer me on that I know, my neighbors and whatnot. So every year I try and make this one if I can.
I think events like this are a great way for everybody to get together and have a good time outside doing healthy, fun fitness things and enjoying the city.
We have people who have run it every year for the last 11. We have the majority of people this year brand new to it. We've had people that come and they've just moved here, so they want a little scenic tour of the city, so they just run the race. It's the most beautifully scenic run in any city you could find across the mansions and along the beach and in the cultural district. It doesn't get much better than that.
I think it's huge for the community because it brings people into the downtown area and lets them see that it is not this scary thing that the reputation presents it to be. It's a beautiful thing to have the businesses supporting it and everyone else coming out and just showing the best that Lynn has to offer.
It's nice to see something be consistent, and it's nice to offer things. You know, our mission of the Downtown Lynn Cultural District is to always offer free and accessible activities, art, culture, all of that to the families, people of all ages in the city. So it's just one of those good community, come on down, like we're here for you. We'll do this every now and then as much as we can.
Supporting Lynn Arts and Downtown Lynn Cultural District in general, so I do these events because I get to run into some people that I only ever see at these events. I think when people get together and come out and join forces in the community and pioneer and spearhead events like this, it just shows people what a good time we're having.